Hey guys, a quick video to those who doesn't know how to delegate Gmail inbox. Just open your browser, visit gmail.com. You need to log in your account first. After that, locate settings on the right top corner. See all settings. And now locate accounts and import tab on the top and check for grant access to your account. Before you proceed, please be aware that you are going to grant another user to access your account inbox and read, send, and delete your emails on your behalf. So make sure that you only delegate access to the people you trust. So once you decide, just click add another account. Pop-up icon for verification. Just follow the steps. Since I logged in my account to my mobile device, so I just need to get my mobile device and then click the number 84. This will grant me or allow me to add an email address. So I just added my secondary email and then I just click next step. Then send email to grant access. So I just need to go back or switch to my secondary account. Someone has granted you access to their Gmail account, accept or deny. Just click the link, accept, and then confirm it. After a minute, click the account icon on the right top corner. Now you can switch and toggle between your account and to the inbox you delegated. That's it. Hope you like it.